Hey everyone, welcome to 3D Print Factory. Here, we bring your ideas to life using professional 3D printing technology. Whether it's something for your home, car, caravan, boat, office, or a unique idea you found online, we can make it real. These are our machines at work. We run multiple printers full-time, which means fast production, high quality, and the ability to scale. If you're a business needing volume printing, just contact us directly and we'll help bring your products to reality. Getting started is simple. Here's the quick step-by-step. Step 1. Download your file. Visit MakerWorld, Thingiverse, or Printables.com. Choose the model you want, check the comments and photos to see how it printed for others, then download it in STL or 3MF format. Step 2. Send it to us. Use the link in the description to upload your file. Add your name and address, and submit it for review. Step 3. Pay the $1 review fee. This small, non-refundable fee covers the time we spend checking your file for structure, layers, and printability. After the review, we'll email your full quote, including print time, material use, and shipping cost. Step 4. Approve your quote. In the email, you'll see a slicer preview video of your model and whether it's single or multi-part. Assembly is already included in the quote. If everything looks good, click Start My Print. We'll then send your final invoice. Once paid, we begin printing. Now, an important point. At 3D Print Factory, you are paying for the 3D printing service only, not the digital file. You are fully responsible for the file you send. We simply transform your digital design into a physical object. All files are deleted after the project is completed. Our team checks every file carefully. If something doesn't look right or we believe another file would print better, we'll contact you before starting. Our goal is always to give you the best results and the best experience possible. Once you approve the quote, we start printing. Production time depends on size and complexity. If we're busy or your model is large, there might be a short wait, but we always keep you updated with completion time and shipping details. We're based in Western Australia, and we ship across the entire country. No matter where you are, we can bring your idea to life. And if you don't have a file or design yet, no problem. Just email us your idea. We can help create the 3D model from scratch and make your concept real. Here's what a final printed model looks like. Clean, precise, and ready to use. Every project is handled with care and attention to detail. Ready to turn your idea into reality? Click the link below, send your file, and let's start creating together. 3D Print Factory. Your idea, our print.